Hello everyone, this is Dawn with TwiceShearedSheep.com, and today we're going to be playing with the content fill button. So I have this beautiful square image. Unfortunately, I want to use it for a Facebook cover image, or for actually what I really want to use it for is for a slider on my website. So I need it to be wider. If I try and crop this to be the size for my header, which, is 1080 by 250 or something. No. Okay, so this size. It gives me the option of we're cutting off part of our image, but I actually really want all of that image. So I'm gonna pull this up and crop this all the way down. Okay, so I've cropped it, but you notice I've got this really ugly, nasty line in the middle because this is pure white that it filled in all of this space with. There are a couple different ways to deal with this. One way is to take your fluffy eraser like we did before, set on, not quite full opacity, almost, and a really soft edge. To open this menu, it's just right click and you can open that menu. So you can erase that line and just kind of soften that line. And then you've got a gradient line, which is better, but it's not ideal. My favorite way to deal with this is to take our marquee tool up here. It's a selection tool. And I'm going to make a nice big box covering all of that white space. And then I'm going to right click and select fill. Now I can fill this box right here with whatever I want. I can choose to fill it with my foreground color, which is this blue. I can fill it with my background color, which is white. I can fill it with black or 50% gray or white. I can do a pattern. What I want to do is content aware. Content aware means that Photoshop is going to look at everything that is near this space and make it match. So it's going to look at this and say, okay, what do we think is supposed to go here? And it's going to do that based on what we've got going on here. And we're going to click OK, and it's going to think. And depending on how complicated it is, it may have to think longer, or how large your section is, it may have to think longer. But it's going to do its thing. And there we go. It filled it in with this same color of gray with a little, it's kind of a yellow gray. It filled in that entire space with the yellow gray. So it is seamless and matches. Now, of course, we can always say, I wanted it to be white, and we can make an adjustment using a mask or a gradient to be able to adjust that. But the content aware filled in that gap, and you can now take a smaller image and make it a bigger image. There you go. If you want to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button and leave us a comment down in the comments of what you would like us to show you in Photoshop. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.